Good morning, everybody. It is January 7th. Your time is foods. Getting ready to go do it. I was paying $40. We are not allowed to take our cameras inside the facility. Thank you. Now, the thing about a particular order that they give you, you got LFF. Put it in video. I'm not too 9 miles away. So you gotta actually search. Ah, I don't like doing that. I gotta get to one I want. Here we go. Yeah. I gotta find another way. Camera, so I just went on ahead and just go ahead and did the delivery. We on. Let's see. ZRF. Nope. Talking about again, going blind. Where the hell is it? Now I'm looking for R1. Actually, let me take a water too. I'm doing awesome. I got another water for you. Okay. At the time. Whatnot busting on me. Hey, listen, I'm like a big fella. I come in office. 6 miles going. We ain't doing that. Not today anyway. Yeah, we gonna head back.